Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make sure you don't spend your hard-earned cash on trash. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we've got the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, or Sharky, as I like to call it. And on the right, it's the HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20, aka Honey Bunny. Let's see which one of these robo-cleaners will suck in the best way possible. Alright, let's start with the suction power. Sharky boasts incredible suction that can tackle the toughest messes. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole. On the other hand, Honey Bunny has a 4,000 pascals super suction power thanks to its Japanese NIDEC motor. That's like having a tiny sumo wrestler inside, ready to wrestle your dirt to the ground. According to reviewers, Sharky performs well on hard floors, but struggles a bit on carpets, while Honey Bunny's suction is praised for its effectiveness on both tile and carpet. So who wins here? Well, if Sharky's suction is incredible, then Honey Bunny's is downright supernatural. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Sharky comes in at a hefty $599. That's like buying a robot vacuum and a decent weekend getaway. Honey Bunny, however, is a steal at $199. You could buy Honey Bunny and still have enough left over for a fancy dinner date. Reviewers appreciate Honey Bunny's affordability and consider it a good investment for its price range. So if you're looking to keep your wallet happy, Honey Bunny's the one to call. Next up, the self-emptying feature. Sharky has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. It's like having a personal butler who never complains. Honey Bunny, however, needs a bit more manual labor. You'll have to empty it yourself, which is great if you need an excuse to take a break from binge-watching your favorite series. Reviewers love Sharky's self-emptying feature, despite it being a bit loud. Sharky wins this round, hands down. When it comes to navigation, Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping. It's like having a tiny robot with the navigational skills of a seasoned pirate. Honey Bunny, on the other hand, features intelligent gyroscope navigation with 4 cleaning modes. It's like having a robot with the flexibility of a gymnast. Reviews indicate that Sharky is efficient in mapping out homes and improving allergies, while Honey Bunny's smart mapping pattern and return-to-home feature are highly praised. Both are impressive, but if you want your robot to navigate like a pro, Sharky's your matey. Let's talk size. Sharky is a bit of a chunky monkey compared to Honey Bunny's ultra-slim 7.6 centimeters height. Honey Bunny can glide under most furniture like a sneaky ninja, while Sharky might need to go on a diet to fit under your couch. Reviewers appreciate Honey Bunny's design and its ability to clean under furniture efficiently. So for those tight spots, Honey Bunny takes the cake. Battery life is crucial. Sharky has an extended runtime with recharge and resume, meaning it can recharge and get back to work without missing a beat. Honey Bunny offers a solid 150 minutes, but will also return to recharge when needed. Reviewers appreciate Sharky's uninterrupted cleaning cycle and Honey Bunny's efficient battery life. It's a close call, but Sharky's ability to pick up where it left off gives it a slight edge. Pet owners, listen up. Sharky is perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors. Honey Bunny is no slouch either, but doesn't specifically cater to pet hair. Reviewers highlight Sharky's effectiveness in reducing dust and pet hair, while Honey Bunny is recommended for wood floors and pet owners. So if Fido or Whiskers is part of your family, Sharky's got your back. Overall, Sharky receives high marks for its cleaning capabilities, efficient mapping, and self-emptying feature, though it struggles with carpets and can be noisy. Honey Bunny is praised for its affordability, effectiveness on various floor types, and reliable performance, though its mopping function could use some improvement. Alright, smart shoppers, there you have it. Both Sharky and Honey Bunny have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, slim ninja that can vacuum and mop, Honey Bunny is your new best friend. But if you want a high-tech, pet-friendly powerhouse with self-emptying capabilities, Sharky is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying advice. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.